Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much to Born Pretty for sending me this 6 gel polish set, and they are absolutely beautiful. These are nude jelly gel polishes, and I don't own any of these type of nude jelly nail polishes, so I was really excited to add this addition to my collection. I absolutely loved it. It's very versatile. You can do so much with it. You can mix it, you can incorporate it in practically any look if you think about it. When you see all these colors, they're just so beautiful and universal. So here I'm just briefly showing you everything, like all the colors that it includes. Unfortunately, I realized after that the numbers of each bottle were in the bottom. I don't know the quantity that each bottle brings because I looked all around the bottle and it didn't say anything, so I'm not sure about that, but I'm pretty sure if you go on the website, I will have everything linked down below. It lets you know. So here are these swatches. These colors are really nice. They're very beautiful. So next we're moving on to applying some base gel, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cure it under the lamp for 60 seconds. Remember to always buff the nails, remove the shine before applying the base gel. I just forgot for this tutorial. Sometimes I'm going to be doing it, sometimes I won't. It just depends. Sometimes I do forget. So here, that is what I am doing. So now I'm just grabbing some brush, and the colors I'm going to be using, I'm just doing a really simple marble. Literally, I'm just dotting some of the white polish onto the nails to wherever I desire, and then I'm just going to grab that brush that I showed you guys and just marbleize the nail to my liking however I want. You could also dilute it and make it with thinner lines if you want to use like alcohol in it or whatever. Maybe in a next video or in a future video I'll actually show you guys doing that. So yeah, here I'm just showing you literally the easiest marble look that you can do at home. So after I'm done marbleizing the way that I like, I just go in the UV lamp once again and cure it for 60 seconds, and then we move right on. I did decide to end up using this Beetles gel polish just to add a little bit of glitter. You guys will see how I apply it, and then I just cure it back in the lamp again. And yeah, it's just really simple, really easy, really pretty. And then at the end I'm going to be applying the Born Pretty color, and I just love how that color, since it's kind of like on the brown side, I love how it just neutralizes that white and just brings the look all together. So I definitely loved it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for always showing me love and support. Thank you. It never goes unnoticed. I'm really grateful for each and every one of you, and it means the absolute world to me, like I always mention. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. So now we're moving on to applying the top coat. I will be using glossy and matte in today's nail look. I absolutely love the combination of both incorporated into a set. I've really been enjoying that. So that is what that is looking like. After, I'm just going to cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching and just supporting my channel overall. It means the absolute world to me, and it definitely never goes unnoticed. You guys literally make my day, so thank you guys so much once again. Really, really means a lot. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. Bye guys, until next time.